Welcome to Camper Versions. In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to operate the rib bed. Pull this front lever on the right of the bed upwards and pull the front base seat upwards from the rear and round into a flat position. Now pull the bar that has been revealed to release and drop the backrest of the seats until it is flat. Finally, locate the strap on the rear cushion, and whilst holding this strap, pull the rear lever on the right of the bed and the rear cushion will start to lower. When flat, release the lever. Putting the bed back to a seat is the same process in reverse. First, locate the strap on the rear cushion and, whilst holding the rear handle on the right, this time pulling up the strap until the cushion is raised. Then release the lever. Next, locate the fixed handle in the center of the bed, which is on top of the backrest cushion, and use this to pull up the backrest until you hear it click into its original position. Finally, pull the front lever on the right of the bed and rotate the base seat until its original position. Thanks for watching. Be sure to watch all our tutorials to discover just how easy a Camper Versions vehicle is to use.